Hey guys, I hope you're having a great day. With the temperature dropping and the holiday season coming up, I decided it would be a good time to share some ways you can make money in the winter. Making this list, I did my best to have a large variety of ways to make money, so let's get right into it. The first way to make money in the winter is by setting up a hot chocolate and coffee stand. Much like a lemonade stand, it's super simple to do, but you can make way more money than you probably think if you set it up in the right location. This can be a little tricky because a lot of popular places you need permission to set up a stand, but the best places are busy parks or sports fields. If there are any parks with sports fields near your house, setting up during games is a great opportunity. The second way is to make money online by doing gigs on Fiverr.com. Fiverr is a website for freelancers to do digital work for people online. If you're good at designing, photoshopping, or basically any creative digital skill, you can put up a gig on Fiverr and get people to pay you to do it for them. You can get paid to make videos for people, edit photos, create logos, and even write essays on Fiverr. The best part is that you can do it all while sitting in bed at home. The third way to make money in the winter is by shoveling snow. It's super basic and requires you to live somewhere that snows, so I won't talk about it too much, but if you really need some easy money in the winter, this is always a good option. Another great way to make money is by babysitting. Most people don't realize it, but during the couple of weeks that students don't have school, most parents still have to work, which means there's a huge demand for babysitters over winter break. You can charge $10 to $20 per hour, and if parents need you to watch their kids for a full day, that can easily add up to $80 to $160 per day. If you're old enough to babysit, talk to your parents about it and see if they'll ask around among their friends to find you some clients. If you were to babysit every day for 2 weeks at $10 an hour, you would potentially make upwards of $800. The fifth way to make money is by selling your old stuff on eBay. Most people get a bunch of new things during the holidays, and that gives you the opportunity to clear up some room around the house by selling your old stuff. Anything from electronics to clothes can be sold, and you probably have way more things that you're willing to sell than you realize. If you found any of these tips useful, please leave a like and subscribe for more videos. I upload new videos about growing on social media, being more productive, and making money every single day, and it really means a lot to me when you guys subscribe and support this channel. Comment any video ideas that you want me to do below, and come back to watch my new video tomorrow. Thanks for watching.